So the show of hands, how many people have seen or heard about Twilight? Well, this is not about that. This is about MotoGP. MotoGP is a global sport and the pinnacle of motorcycle racing, consisting of 18 riders in 5 different continents, taking place from April to November. In Michael Scott's book, 60 Years of MotoGP Racing, it states that the first edition of MotoGP was organized in 1949. 59 years of racing. Since its early days, the Grand Prix arena has been the stage of world competition between the highest level performance machines with the greatest riders of our time. But the performance machine, for the riders, the race never ends. Lap after lap, knees on the ground, 200 miles per hour down the straights. Now you're thinking to yourself, they're crazy. They're going to kill themselves. Maybe. They all survive their racing careers, riding and crashing, riding and winning, and always being a little bit faster. But if you want to be the best in the world, this is the championship race that you want to prove in. The 3 main topics are the technology in the bikes, the safety equipment, and the superstar of the sport, Valentino Rossi. Now, the motorcycles, according to author Neil Spaulding of Motorcycle GP Technology, they are highly technology-related ultra-premium bikes that can neither be purchased nor legally be ridden on the road. They have materials such as titanium and carbon fiber brakes, which are not available to any road bikes, and they are exclusively in MotoGP technology. Grand Prix motorcycles are generally made of lightweight and very expensive materials, and require a high degree of technical skill and knowledge. On the homepage of MotoGP, it states that one of the main challenges that confronts MotoGP motorcycles are how to translate the machine's enormous power, roughly 240 horsepower, on the size of a human hand. MotoGP is renownedly known where the teams will deliberately detune the engines just so the riders can have some control over their bikes. And because of all this power, it is very dangerous, so safety is such an important concern in MotoGP. Some of the safety features are the protective gear that they have. Kangaroo skin, the leather suits, are constructed from this material, which is highly abrasive and resistant to tearing in falls. The riders' gloves have certain paddings in certain areas and are constructed with also carbon fiber and other expensive metals to reduce braking and to give the riders reflexes and control over their bikes while racing. A vivid illustration of the effectiveness of modern protection gear in MotoGP came during Mugello in the 2004 MotoGP race, where racer Shinji Nakano tire exploded at over 200 miles an hour. He crashed and rolled over to the sand pits without any broken bones or any concussions. And 2 weeks later, he went into Catalonia and he placed 7th overall. That just shows how important and how safe MotoGP technology is. Another rider that benefits from all this technology and safety equipment is rider and superstar Valentino Rossi. He is affectionately known as the Doctor. This is a nickname his mother gave to him because she wanted him to become a doctor. And because in rural Italy, the doctor is very important, it shows that he is of great importance. Soon, in the year 2002, he shows how important he is to world racing. Honda deliberately said in a public press conference that it's because of their technology that causes Valentino to win races. And pissed off, Valentino Rossi left Honda and went to Yamaha. He took his whole crew. From his engineer to his truck driver. This is like Derek Jeter, A-Rod, Joe Torre, all getting up and just going to the Red Sox and winning consecutively for 4 years. So this is an unprecedented move by one of the greatest riders. He is known throughout the paddocks as the GOAT, greatest of all time. So, as of November 2007, he has acquired a total of 8 World Championship titles. MotoGP is an amazing history and a bright future, with all the teams fighting for first place and the most sophisticated and alluring technology involved, helping riders like Valentino Rossi not only provide safety, but help him win. This is the type of excitement that thrill the fans of MotoGP and that they love. And this is also why MotoGP is better than Twilight. Thank you.